Here is Luvia app, live chat, adult share, video chat, and online and music. Ready to unleash your musical creativity? Welcome to Luvia, where R&B music lovers come together to connect and grow. Here you can collaborate with others, share your music, and make new friends who share your passion. Whether you're chatting about the latest tracks or getting inspired by someone else's ideas, Luvia makes it easy to form genuine connections through video chats, real-time conversations. So here you can just tap get to install it, and then I don't know whether this is a completely legit app or some like a bit scammy Chinese app. Probably the later, and then you just see your account, and yes, you can see it seems it's quite scammy. So and then you can just kind of chat, but my idea is that it's quite scammy, and it will just basically collect your data. Um, so that's basically what it is. So yeah, that's what you have.